This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Update Snapchat to the latest version from the App Store or Google Play so you have recent features and security fixes. Confirm your phone number and email to secure account recovery and to be able to verify identity when needed. Decide on a public username and profile photo before enabling public features so your audience recognizes you. Review your current friends and any private content. Remove or archive anything you do not want visible, and be ready to separate public versus private stories and snaps. Open your profile, tap Settings, and choose Create Public Profile to begin the setup flow that makes selected content visible to everyone on Snapchat. Customize your public bio, display name, and link your Bitmoji for branding so viewers instantly recognize your presence. Adjust who can contact you and view your story under Public Profile settings to control messages and story interactions. Review monetization and content options if available. Then publish the profile when you are satisfied with visibility, privacy. Share your snap code and username on social networks and website to grow reach, and consider adding a direct link in your bio on other platforms. Submit creative short videos to Spotlight and post consistent stories for visibility while using themed content, hashtags, and regular posting cadence to build followers. Enable two-factor authentication and moderate comments to protect your public presence. Set message permissions to friends only if needed, and regularly audit connected apps to avoid unintended data sharing or spam.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.